Knowledge is power. Let's get powerful together. Today, we're going to learn about the new Microsoft Bing, what it is and what it is not. So let's talk about that. Okay, what inspired this? Microsoft's new Bing Chat is not ChatGPT. It is not based on ChatGPT. It does not use ChatGPT or any other thing related to ChatGPT that you may read or a content provider may say. This is important, I think, because I think it's important to understand. And the more that we can understand around something, the better off we are. Okay, so what is ChatGPT might be a good question right now. Okay, ChatGPT is a chatbot. It's an application that was created by OpenAI. It utilizes a technology called GPT, happens to utilize GPT 3.5. Being a chatbot, or since it's a chatbot, it has been optimized for chat. It uses a fixed set of data, doesn't do searches, just has a data set. You start chatting with it, and it goes against that data set for whatever it develops. That's what ChatGPT is. It's an application, a bot. Yes, it's a technology showing how GPT can be used in a chatting environment. That's one way to look at it. Okay, well, what is GPT? Let's take a look. A GPT is a generative pre-trained transformer. That's what GPT stands for. It's a family of the language models that OpenAI has developed. So that's what GPT is. GPT-3 is the latest generation. And of course, ChatGPT uses 3.5 version of that generation. And some cool things about the third generation is there's 175 billion parameters. Think about that. And to think it's still not quite a human, to think about how many parameters we have that we don't recognize that we have. That's what GPT is and GPT-3 is. So just to understand that, let's go on to the next thing. Well, if Bing doesn't use ChatGPT, what does it use? The next generation of GPT. 4.0 is what Microsoft is utilizing. Microsoft has been using GPT for many years now. They've made some heavy investments into OpenAI, and now they are integrating GPT-4 in with Bing. What Microsoft has done is optimize this for search. And I don't know how much of that optimization is done by Microsoft and maybe how much is done by OpenAI, but in the end, Microsoft has taken the technology from OpenAI and they're developing their own application that is hosted within Bing. Important thing to note, and I've read that there are trillions of parameters in generation 4 of GPT. So Bing, being what it is, a search engine, it goes out and looks at information that is continuously updating its databases, crawling and grabbing information. And that's what the new Bing is. It's based on GPT-4. So it is incorrect for someone to say or write that Bing is based on or uses or whatever ChatGPT. It's not semantics. It's two different applications here. ChatGPT, Bing Chat. They're two different applications that use GPT, a version of one of the generations. And I'm sure that ChatGPT will update to 4 at some point. I just wanted you to understand what ChatGPT is, what Bing's new chat feature is. I tell you, it's pretty cool. I've been using Bing since Bing came into being. Early on, I was back and forth on my use, but the more that Bing matured years ago, many, many years ago, the more that I just moved to using Bing. And Bing has been and will continue to be, I believe, 95 or better percent of my searching. That's it. I wanted you to know. Thanks for watching.